Big Boss is still working on the USB boxes. This is the USB box that we are selling on the site. 100 different types of USB charging ports, phones and tablets. Each model has 5 ports. So 5 ports here, 5 ports here, 5 ports here. So we're gonna be filling 100 compartments on this box, and there will be 44 compartments that are empty. Now we will update those compartments in the future as we have more charging ports. Big Boss is up to compartment number 75, and he's still filling out the rest. I mean, honestly, I did not expect those boxes to take such a long time to make. Buying the charging ports was one thing, and then finding out what charging port fixes which device is another thing. And then creating the labels, printing out the labels so everything is nice and neat, and putting the labels on every compartment is another thing. And then filling out the charging ports in every compartment is a whole different thing. I mean, Big Boss has been working on these boxes here since this morning, and he's up to compartment number 75. He's doing 5 boxes at once. So he puts 5 in here, 5 in here, 5 in here, 5 in here, and 5 in here. Then he moves on to the second box, and he has a list. Everything is being checked, the numbers, the charging ports. We want everything as organized as possible, but honestly, these boxes are taking such a long time to make. If I calculate all the work that went into making those boxes, the $190 that we are charging for those boxes, honestly, it's nothing at all. We are doing this for the community, for our subscribers, and for anybody who needs this. I mean, we do a lot of charging port replacements, and you can tell from our videos, every time we fix a charging port, we refer to this box to get a charging port. My box, the one that I use, is not as filled as this one. When I first decided to sell this box, I was going to make one like mine. Okay, but then I thought, why not expand the box? Why not put more components in the box? Why not put more charging ports in the box? And that's why it went from maybe having 20-30 charging ports to having 100 different types of charging ports. We have 27 more boxes left. If you are interested, you can go ahead and order a box from our site. They will start to ship out either tomorrow or Wednesday. The only thing still left to do is taking pictures of every single USB port. The reason for the pictures is so it's easy for you to locate a charging port by just looking at the picture. Let's say you are working on some device and you do not know which charging port fixes that specific device. You can look at the shape of the USB port. You can go to our site to look at the pictures. You'll locate a charging port that looks like the charging port that you are working on. Let's say that charging port, the picture is labeled as picture number 3. You go to number 3 here, and that will be the charging port. So organizing took a lot of time, but I think we are on the right track. Of course, we may still improve in the future as we get more ideas. We are dealing with an overwhelming number of charging ports, and I do not want to just throw the charging ports in the box and send it over to you. You do not know what charging port, which drawer contains what. We just got a couple of boxes from China, and these are laptop chargers. So the chargers that we have in here will fit on any brand laptop. 71 piece. This is unheard of. We contacted the company to make a special package for us. I'll go over this when I organize them. We have the blue HP laptops here. These are very popular in our shop. The Lenovo Flux. You have the cables here so you can hook up the charger to your power supply to see how much amperage is being drawn by the laptop. And then you have the charging cable. Instead of having a charging adapter, we're gonna include the charging cables that you can hook up to the tips, and you hook it up directly to your power supply to see how much amps is being drawn by a laptop. There are 71 pieces to work with. So that's one set of tips here. That's another set of tips here. That's yet another set of tips. one here. So you're gonna get one of each. This one looks like it fell in the package. And these are still closed. See, if you look at this cable here, it hooks up to your power supply, and then the tip here will hook up to one of the tips from here. We got this machine today. We are working on a Dell laptop here, iPad mini, iPhone 8, and a lot of packages that came in by mail. I need to go over those. We have this package that came in by mail too. It's a phone. We'll go over this. We have a couple of Xboxes that came in. This one here. This one here. And this one here. I mean, now the store is really, it looks like a bomb just went off here. Every time we have a lot of things to do, a lot of work, everything gets out of control. I mean, we will clean and reorganize everything once Big Boss is done with organizing those boxes.
Okay, so no line?
I'm speaking without a microphone. I'm just using the phone's microphone, so I do not know how the sound is going to be like. A few things we got yesterday also, some car holders. This honestly is one of the best car holders that I've used. It has the built-in wireless charging. So it's this one here. You just slide the phone down and it grabs it from the sides and from the bottom. And then it does come, you see there's a charging port here because this is a high-speed wireless charging.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey boss, what's up man?
Harris with Spectrum.
Oh yes,
local
hi.
business account
Hi,
executive.
hi. Yeah.
Now, I know that just about everyone has Spectrum here.
Yeah.
Do you have our service
We do,
as well?
we do, yeah.
Now, I know you have the internet. Do you have the landline too?
No, we do not need the landline.
You just don't have the
We use a
internet.
cell phone, yeah, just internet.
Oh, you don't have? So what if someone wants to call into the business?
They call on the cell phone.
I
Fine,
appreciate
take
it.
care, bye-bye.
God bless you.
All right, you too. So car holders, wireless chargers, USB-C to SATA, and then of course the MFI certified Apple cables. These are very, very high quality cables, 5, 10, and 3 feet. Cases for 17-inch laptops, 15-inch laptops, 13-inch laptops. Power bank for a laptop or phone, tablet. This one here you put on your desk, and the mouse cable, it connects to this part here, so the cable does not stay flat on the desk. It organizes the desk. The phone holder that I really liked, I tried it yesterday. I put one in my car. This is one of the best holders I've had. This is a wireless charging cradle and a phone holder for the car. It comes with the cable and the car adapter. This is the high-speed adapter, 3.0. And the way this works is that's it. Just tighten the knot. And now what you do is you just connect this to your vent, your AC vent on the vehicle, and you make it tight from here. There's right there. You see how the opening is getting tighter and tighter. Once it's tightened onto the vent of the vehicle, it doesn't move. And when you plug any phone that supports wireless charging will charge. And if your phone does not support wireless charging, that's not a problem. You just use it as a phone holder. You slide the phone down and you have the two rubber pieces that holds onto the phone so it doesn't tip over and fall. And you have two that holds it from the bottom also. It's really an awesome phone holder. For the laptop charging kit that we spoke about, we have about 45 in stock right now. Each kit will come with about 71 to 75 pieces, ranging from the charging tips to the charging cable to the power supply cables and all that good stuff. Link to purchase this kit will not be available on our website today. It may take a few days before we post the link. We need to organize the kit and then we need to take pictures. If you want to pre-order, you can contact us on our website via NorthridgeFix.com. Click on the contact us form and just let us know that you want to pre-order so we can put one on the site for you. You can even call or send a text message to 818-668-7058. I hope you enjoyed this little tour that we did on the USB boxes to show you the amount of work that goes on when creating those boxes. $190 for that box is extremely cheap considering the amount of work that went behind creating that box. We still have about 27 of those boxes left in stock. If you want to order, just click on the link in the description to order from our website, and we'll ship one for you probably tomorrow or the day after. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.